Have you ever wanted to simulate a stack of battery cells? Power management is important for the production of a device. It helps ensure that the device is able to operate efficiently within safe limits. This is essential during testing and debugging. Due to more complex technologies, this also comes with multiple devices that need to be monitored and managed. Rohde and Schwarz provides a great solution that gives you the ability to monitor and individually gain control of the channels and simultaneously switch the multiple outputs from a central location. In this video, we will demonstrate how to remotely switch multiple outputs using two R&S NGM200, one NGL200 power supply, and a digital 15-pin input-output connector. This is the Multi-NGX control tool. You can go to the Remote Configuration tab through the View menu. Here you can perform a visa search on USB and GPIB interfaces by clicking the Find button. A search window should appear showing the instruments found on the interfaces after clicking one of the radio buttons. You might also establish a connection via Ethernet by clicking the IP button in the Remote Configuration tab. Enter your IP address at the places marked with A, B, C, and D, and make sure to keep the dots in between and click the Connect button. Clicking the IDN button will return an identity string from the instrument. The Remote Control tab also allows communication with instruments using Skippy commands and query. You can hover over the View menu and click Show Channels. The main menu has two other options: the Setup menu, which provides configuration function, the Measurement menu, which starts, stops, and configures the continuous display update, and the View menu, which changes the view to all power supplies simultaneously. You can turn the outputs on and off through the Setup menu. Switching any of the channel buttons on or off will cause all channels of the connected instrument to be switched. In the Measurement menu, you can start the update. This channel display menu shows the measured voltage and current values. The values are updated when the continuous update is running. The gray fields in the channel display show the set voltage and the current limit. We can set the target voltage for all individual channels through the Setup menu. To set a limit for an individual channel, click on one of the gray fields and enter a value. This transfers to the connected instrument. The channels may also be programmed with overcurrent, overvoltage, and overpower protection, which causes all the channels to be switched off if the values exceed the protected limit. This application program stores all its settings to a file when it is closed and loads them after the next startup. It is possible to prepare the connected instruments by performing a selection of actions after the start of the application programs. The R&S NGL and NGM is a great solution by providing greater control, flexibility, and access to the settings of multiple power supplies, which can lead to improved efficiency, safety, and performance during the development process. Especially with a large number of power supply channels used, it is desirable to have this tool for configuring all instruments and channels from one user interface, and for keeping an overview over the states and measurement values from all channels. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the NGX Multi-Control Tool by Rohde and Schwarz.